Holger, explain me Azo.
Yes, Azo colors, or colorants actually, are chemical compounds that exist of a double bond nitrogen atom. So it's two nitrogen atoms with a double bond in the middle. And that is known for quite instability, for a lot of instability. So this double bond can break quite easily, and that can change whether the color in the appearance, or it can change the chemical expression towards the body. And some azo colorants, once they have changed inside the body, can become cancerous or reprotoxic or whatever. And the risk of using Azo pigments and still have some not so positive effect with it is too high. So we have decided years ago already to not use any Azo pigments. And now also we have been proved, because the new EU regulation, the REACH law, stops the entire market from using any kinds of Azo pigments in Europe. Whatever you buy in America, South America, Asia, I don't know. And still in Europe, I will put my hand to the fire for every manufacturer.